Jen here. So I'm getting ready for Vegas Friday and I've been playing around with this new palette I got from Colourpop in Ulta. It is the Element of Surprise and these colors are gorgeous. I will insert a swatch video right here. I'm going to first show you guys swatches of this palette with my fingers, and then I will also show you a video of swatches using just a brush, and both videos will have no primer. So let me go ahead and insert that here. So as you can see, these colors are very pigmented and they are very, very pretty. I am in love with that shiny, shiny blue. It's called Opulent. And also the color Peace of Mind is such a pretty, pretty burgundy. So now that you've seen the swatches, I'm going to go ahead and do a look for you guys, and I'm going to be doing this look in Vegas because it is such a glamorous look and it's so easy using. I only think I'm only going to be using 6 colors out of this whole palette, and one of those colors is just to set my primer. So, and I'm sorry my eyebrows are not done at the beginning of the video. I did them after my eyeshadow. So please don't hate me for having my plain brown brows. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. That was it. Quick, easy, and simple. If you guys want to know more about the brushes I used, I know I used this one, and I know that I used this one, and I know that I used this one, and I think I used this one, and what else did I use? Oh, I definitely used this one. So yeah, I probably should have explained those brushes in the video, but I'm really bad at doing that. Like, I will show 2 or 3 brushes in the whole look, and then I'll just stop because I just get so itchy. Like, oh, this looks so good. This is blending so good. Oh my god, this shadow is amazing. And then I completely forget to show my brushes. So I'm sorry, don't hate me. But pros and cons of this palette. Well, I will say this much. The really shimmery colors, like that opalescent, that pretty blue I put on, it blends into whatever color you already have on your lid. And when you're using a brush, it does not apply at all. It's just shimmers. So you really have to use your finger for that one. And notice one of the shades Go With The Flow. It is this one right here. It is really pigmented when you use your finger, but when you're using the brush, it does not show up very well until you really build it up. This is honestly probably one of my favorite palettes by them. I feel like the colors just work together really good, and this is one of the first palettes that they released to Ulta, which is kind of cool that you can now buy Colourpop and Ulta, and I think Sephora sells them now too, which is really cool because when I first found out about Colourpop, they were online exclusive. It's pretty cool now that they are expanding to the high-end stores. So if you are interested in this palette, again, it is on the Ulta.com website and it is the Element of Surprise palette. So that is my little mini review / tutorial look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more awesome content. And I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.